Is woke culture really a thing to consider, or is it something we can ignore? Good question. A woke culture is taking over the United States right now and much of the Western world. So, what is woke culture? Woke culture is something that has emerged in the vacuum left behind after the fall of Christianity. So, in the past, in the 1980s, when the Pope would visit any country in Europe or in the West, there would be hundreds of thousands of people lining the streets waiting to catch a glimpse of the Pope. Today, when the Pope visits some place, there's nobody on the streets. So that gives you an indication of the decline of Christianity and the way people are rejecting Christianity in the West, because now people are becoming aware of the true history of Christianity, that it has played a very major political role in Europe. It has been the real center of power, and it has, well, you can read up the history of the popes to understand the real role of Christianity. So Europe and the West have woken up to this. They are leaving Christianity in en masse. Now the thing is that Christianity has been the moral foundation of the West for about 1,000 years, of if not more. So every person needs a moral foundation in their life, a set of moral principles to live by, because it is very difficult to think on your own about what is right, what is wrong. It's people, thinking is hard work. People don't like to think. They like to be told what to do. That's why they look up to leaders, and they need moral principles, something that is already ready made for them that they can follow. And because they are now realizing what Christianity truly is, and because they are leaving Christianity in so many numbers, they are left without a moral compass. So they are left without a rule book that will guide them in life. And the leftists have jumped into this vacuum by giving them this woke ideology. So woke ideology is about the moral high ground. It's about doing the right thing, etc. But the right thing is very distorted when it comes to woke culture. It is all about identity politics. It's all about uh, empowering a certain political ideology, and that ideology actually is Marxism. It is cultural Marxism, which takes a myriad number of forms. It has a lot of different manifestations, and woke culture is the latest manifestation of cultural Marxism. It's all about dividing a society among various identities and creating this conflict between the identities. And it's all about taking the moral high ground, that my ideology is morally superior to yours, and therefore I can hate you, and you need to be marginalized and cancelled and all that. And that is unfortunately now being exported to India. So all these misguided students who study in all these various universities, JNU and various other universities, especially in the humanities departments, they are all uh, exposed to this new woke religion by these professors who are all Marxist professors, who all follow the Marxist ideology. They're all ideologues. They're all overground workers of the communist cause, these professors. India has allowed them to take over the academic system, especially the humanities. And that's why this is now being exported to India. And they are again dividing India in various classes. It's all about destroying Hinduism. So you don't say Hinduism, you say Brahmanism in order to attack Hinduism, because the Brahmin class was basically the people who had the knowledge, who were in charge of preserving India's knowledge. So that is being attacked, so that India's knowledge disappears, and therefore you can undermine the foundations of Hinduism and India's ancient culture. And then they create this class divide between Dalits and various other people, etc. Even this term Dalit is a very new term. It's all thanks to Mr. Gandhi, and later it was taken up by the Marxists. So this woke ideology, this woke culture, is now being exported into India. It is becoming a nuisance. So that's where we are. We need to take it very seriously. We cannot ignore it. And the way to tackle it properly is to reform the academic system. Basically, what do I say? The academic system needs to be decontaminated of its Marxist leanings, which is throughout it. Even the IITs are full of these humanities departments, which I've spoken about earlier. So it's all about basically decontaminating and reforming India's academic system. Until that is done, it's going to become a bigger and bigger problem in India, this woke culture.